Hi! In front of me is Realme C53 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings and click on Connected Devices. Then tap on Connection Preferences. Select Printing and default print service. Now wait! Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to use different print service, tap on this switcher next to default one. Then, when your service is disabled, go back, tap on Add Service, and download the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, go back by tapping on the back button twice. Then click on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!